This is Chapter 2 entitled The Need for Security. In this chapter, we'll demonstrate that organizations have a business need for information security. We'll explain why a successful information security program is the responsibility of both an organization's general management and IT management. We'll identify the threats posed to information security and the more common attacks associated with those threats, and differentiate threats to the information within systems from attacks against the information within systems. We'll describe the issues facing software developers as well as the most common errors made by developers, and explain how software development programs can create software that is more secure and reliable.
The primary mission of an information security program is to ensure that information assets, information, and the systems that house them remain safe and useful. If threats to these assets didn't exist, those resources could be used exclusively to improve the systems that contain, use, and transmit the information. Information security performs four important functions for an organization: protecting the organization's ability to function, enabling the safe operation of applications running on the organization's IT systems, protecting the data and information the organization collects and uses, safeguarding the organization's technology assets. General management, IT management, and information security management are each responsible for facilitating the information security program that protects the organization's ability to function. Each of an organization's communities of interest must address information security in terms of business impact and cost of business interruption, rather than isolating security as a technical problem. A modern organization needs to create an environment that safeguards these applications, particularly those that are important elements of the organization's infrastructure. Once an organization's infrastructure is in place, management must continue to oversee it and not relegate its management to the IT department. Without data, an organization loses its record of transactions and its ability to deliver value to customers. Therefore, data security, protecting data in transmission, in processing, and at rest, is a critical aspect of information security. To perform effectively, organizations must employ secure infrastructure hardware appropriate to the size and scope of the enterprise. In general, as an organization grows to accommodate changing needs, more robust technology solutions should replace security technologies the organization has outgrown. Threat is the potential risk of an asset's loss of value. Many researchers have collected information on threats and attacks from practicing information security personnel and their organizations. While the categorizations may vary, threats are relatively well researched and fairly well understood. The scheme shown here consists of 14 general categories of threats that represent a clear and present danger to an organization's people, information, and systems. Each organization must prioritize the threats it faces based on the particular security situation in which it operates, its organizational strategy regarding risk, and the exposure levels of its assets. This shows the biannual evolution of CSI reported attacks since 2000. Intellectual property is the creation, ownership, and control of original ideas, as well as the representation of those ideas. IP can be trade secrets, copyrights, trademarks, and patents. The most common IP breach is the unlawful use or duplication of software-based intellectual property, more commonly known as software piracy. In addition to laws against software piracy, two watchdog organizations investigate allegations of software abuse: SIIA and BSA.